Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the bird coloring book niche. Now, these keywords are highly profitable. They are suitable to be used for either the title, the subtitle, or for the 7 keyword slots. Now, before we get started on each of these wonderful keywords that I have for you today, I'd like to remind you that linked below this video in the video description box, you will find a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica for a full 30 days for you to try it for free. You can download a maximum of 10 products, including KDP keywords, book cover ideas, interiors as well, and many graphics and fonts. Take advantage of this free trial linked in the description box below. I'm also going to be using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords. And if you would like the full step-by-step tutorial on how to effectively and correctly use and activate all free Chrome extensions, there will also be a video linked in the description box below that takes you on a guide on how to activate the Chrome extensions so you can be able to do the same exact keyword research as I am doing right now. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day. On all of these keywords can also be found in the video description box below. Our first one is birds coloring book kids. This is a great keyword to use for the 7 keyword slots, and this is a really general keyword that we can optimize. Now, why did I suggest for the 7 keyword slots? It's because of the slightly higher total results. We usually like it to be anywhere under 5,000 for anything to be for the title or subtitle. This one's sitting at a total result of 7,651, yet it does offer massive profitability metrics right over here, which I'm going to go ahead and analyze shortly soon. But it's used for the 7 keyword slots because we have other keywords that you can be able to efficiently optimize for the title and subtitle. Birds coloring book kids, beautiful short tail keyword. It has a keyword niche score of 55 by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension and number 9 by Amazon's Cat Pro, which is the highest on the scale. Categorizing this is a great niche. Total results, as I said, in the 7,000. Average bestseller rank within that 400,000 range. Of course, the lower the better. And it is currently averaging 413,254, average reviews 741, average price is $2.54. Scrolling down, we do want to ignore any sort of sponsored books such as this one because it tends to fuss up with the data. We want to focus on all the books on the first page that have a bestseller rank of below 100,000 and that are not sponsored. There is no ads running. This one, for example, was being published in 2023, titled Bird Book for Kids, Coloring and Awesome Facts. And I love how they added that interactive, engaging, educational turn right here by introducing Awesome Facts, Did You Know coloring book, because both you and I know that it is important to introduce as much educational content in coloring books and in activity books, because this really is a selling point and it really adds value as well. This one's sitting at 30,954. Right now we've got another book as well sitting at 202,000. We've got a couple. This one's 55,357 Under the Sea coloring book for children. Now, although it is not specifically about birds or anything related to birds in this case, apart from the wildlife, it is still ranking on the first page without any active ads showing because they've seemed to optimize this keyword for the 7 keyword slots. Next up, we've got dinosaur coloring book for kids. Then again, nothing to do with birds, yet optimizing the 7 keyword slots. Another great example right here, Big Book of Trucks coloring book. We've got another one, 18,616, and this one's a lovely cover that really attracted my attention, and they've more adopted that realistic vintage style illustrations of the different bird breeds as well. And this is a colorful guide to 25 popular backyard birds and journal pages, introduction to bird watching. Then again, that educational element with added value as well. Really great selling point for all the parents and caregivers out there that are actually making the purchase as well. So that is the first keyword, best to be optimized for the 7 keyword slots. Let's head to the second keyword for the day, which is birds coloring book bold and easy. So this one is a Sliding between the short tail and the long tail keyword right in the middle, where it's giving us what we need to get started, but it's giving us that extra theme that we want, which was with the bold and easy coloring niche, and specifically when it comes to birds as well. Now what I love about this is the total results are only 195. This keyword is best to be used for the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots, provided that you fulfill the promise of the book being in the bold and easy minimalistic coloring sheets as well. So we can talk about that more in a upcoming video on how to create bold and easy and make sure you fulfill that promise. Total results of 195, bestseller rank slightly above that 500,000, and this is why it's best to be optimized for the 7 keyword slots or in some cases for the subtitle, and it's sitting at 567,567, double here. Average reviews is 666, average price is $7.39 with a keyword niche score of 54 and a number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro. Scrolling down that again, avoiding the top 4 sponsored posts, coming down here, we've got our first book with the bestseller rank of below 100,000, sitting at 21,157. Another one right here at 14,000. This one's a spring coloring book, and they've seemed to optimize the keyword for the 7 keyword slots. This one's a great one, beautiful birds, and again that vintage style seems to sell really well as well. Now as you can tell, most of the coloring books right here are fulfilling that bold and easy category. Very minimalistic, very relaxing, not much patterns going on, and that seems to be a really good bestseller as well. Then again, 63,000 for this one. Not specifically related to birds, but it does fulfill that bold and easy. Right over here, this one's a beautiful example, bold and easy birds coloring book using that exact same keyword for the title. Scrolling down, this seems to be out of print right now. Large print coloring book, 31,000. All of these are independently published, or as most of them, as we can see right here, by the Independent as well. So best to be used for the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots. Birds coloring book, bold and easy. Let's head to the third keyword for the day, which is birds and flowers coloring book. I seem to have missed that word right over here. Now this is a great keyword to use for the title or for the subtitle. It fulfills that promise. It's giving us a 51 for the keyword niche score, as well as a number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, beautifully complementing each other. The total results of 568, average bestseller rank 473,668, average reviews beautiful 1,012. Average price is $1.85 for this one. We've got our first book right here at 14,431. No current ads running. Next up, we've got 1,111. We've got 69,000 for Birds and Blossoms coloring book, and I love the pink pastels on this one. Scrolling down as well, we've got a couple of really good books like this, 74,000, the Oddburn Birds coloring book. We've got 2,000 for this, 30,000 for that book right at the back as well. As you can see here, beautiful covers. Try to have a look and pinpoint 2 to 3 books that you would like to act as your competitor for this keyword, and then just really analyze the reviews. Have a look at the positive reviews and specifically have a look at the negative reviews. See what is missing from them, so then you'll be able to create an improved, optimized version for your book. Never copy and paste, but always learn from what has worked before. So let's head to our fourth and final keyword for the day, which is beautiful birds coloring book. And this is a great, amazing keyword to use for the 7 keyword slots for anything bird coloring book related, whether that's for adults, whether that's for children, whether that is for seniors, whether it's a specific breed, whether it has any educational element in there. Use this keyword for the 7 keyword slots. Keyword niche score of 59 by Titans and a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro. Total results below 5,000, sitting at 3,536. Average bestseller rank is high, but yet there is potential coming from the keyword niche score from both of the Chrome extensions, as well as the total results below 1,000. Good average reviews as well. Use this for the 7 keyword slots and you will not look back. And scrolling down as well, we've got a couple of really good books that are ranking on the first page, sitting at 14,000. Next up, we've got 74,000 for this one as well. All of these books are optimizing this keyword for the 7 keyword slots, as you can see right over here as well. So don't sleep on this one for the 7 keyword slots. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great, amazing day. All the best.